An Israeli court, the Jerusalem District Court, has paused this week's hearings in Prime Minister Netanyahu's corruption trial, citing national security and diplomatic concerns based on classified input from top officials, Israel's Mossad director, and the military intelligence chief. The hearings set for this week are now cancelled, the court said in a decision shared online by Netanyahu's Likud party. The statement emphasized that the postponement was based on updated security-related arguments. The move follows recent comments from US President Donald Trump, who urged Israel to dismiss the case. On social media, Trump warned the proceedings could obstruct Netanyahu's ability to participate in crucial talks involving Hamas and Iran, asserting that the United States would not support the continuation of the trial. Netanyahu publicly thanked Trump in a message posted on X, calling the trial a witch hunt. Trump demanded its immediate termination or a pardon for Netanyahu. In a longer statement on Truth Social, he repeated rhetoric both he and Netanyahu have used to describe their legal battles alleging bias from political adversaries, law enforcement, and the press. I was stunned to learn that Israel, in a time of historic importance, continues to pursue this baseless legal case against a strong wartime leader, Trump wrote. This should end now or a pardon should be issued. Netanyahu, who was formally charged in 2019 with bribery, fraud, and breach of trust allegations he firmly denies. He has long claimed the case is politically motivated and designed to unseat a right-wing government. One of the indictments alleges that Netanyahu and his wife, Sarah, received gifts including cigars, champagne, and jewelry worth over $260,000 from wealthy associates in return for political benefits. Other charges center on Netanyahu's alleged efforts to secure favorable news coverage from major Israeli outlets. Since the trial began in 2020, Netanyahu has repeatedly sought delays. His attorneys recently asked the court to excuse his testimony for 2 weeks, citing his need to focus on escalating security concerns, the ceasefire with Iran, and the conflict in Gaza where Israeli hostages remain in captivity. The court initially declined the request but reversed its position after hearing further arguments from the Prime Minister and top security officials. In the wake of Trump's remarks, Netanyahu's allies rallied to support the US president's position. The Likud party translated and circulated his comments in Hebrew. Israeli Foreign Minister Gideon Sa'ar, once a political rival of Netanyahu, echoed the sentiment, saying, "If the US president calls for dismissing the trial or issuing a pardon, how can we say he's wrong?" Netanyahu, responding to Trump's message, expressed gratitude, saying he was deeply touched by your unwavering support for me, for Israel, and for the Jewish people. Stay sharp, stay informed with Global Pulse Unplugged.